What's up, guys? Welcome to vlog number 2. Hope you guys checked out the first one, and let's jump into it.
What's going on, everybody?
I might have a problem with females. We're working on that. We're trying to lock in.
Welcome back, everybody. Another Monday here. We got the team cooking away. We did our little team meeting earlier today, and we laid out the agenda for the week. Big order started for Stevenson Ranch's spring collection that's coming out. Dave Blunt's tour merchandise is starting today. Samara Sin is starting Tuesday or Wednesday. Got a whole lot on the plate.
Like you said, big spring collection coming soon. Just finalized all the job sheets and everything for their next tour. We got some evergreen product in their next city leg. Probably going to be shooting up to the production warehouse with Polly this week so we can get some content of everything rolling there.
I'm looking at this blank review right now that Paulo did. This shit looks sick, dog. We're about to post this up.
We're heading over to the bank. Today's a big day for us. We got approved for the Inc. 5000, so I got to get all of the statements ready from 2021 up until 2024. We used to bank with Bank of America, but now we're banking with a fintech company, so I got to head into the bank, pick up the statements, send it all in, and let's see what place we get. Thug, young Thug, the one and only. I was at the gym like 9 o'clock. I get a text, yo, Thug's trying to holler at you real quick. I was like, what? I called him, man. This young Thug answers the phone. And yeah, they're working on a brand called Make America Slime Again. And I guess they knew the right guys to call. You know what I'm saying? Well, they got to call the back office. I'm waiting for like the next 20-30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm having Brett and Steve come by, pick up Polly so they can keep filming at the house.
This is my Uber?
This is your Uber. Hop the fuck in.
Cops on us now. Well, in the good side, it's great that you're here because Dom DeAngelis, YouTuber, Instagram chef, we're doing his merch it's called The Weekends, and he's pulling up in I think like 20-30 minutes to come sign some of the shirts. He had a couple customers request that like he just signs them. Yeah, if you're seeing this, leave a comment below about my haircut because I spent a good change on it.
2,500 pieces
2,500 pieces of paper that need to get
for what,
printed out.
transactions?
Yeah, it's statements and transactions from 21 all the way up to 2024 for all 4 of the accounts. 5,000, baby!
5,000, bitch!
Yes.
How are things?
Good.
Yeah.
Great.
I got the ones you're gonna sign inside. We'll just bring them in here and do a little cool signing thing. Just so you can,
Dude.
yeah,
Oh yeah.
The prints are crispy, bro. You know.
Sometimes I like to think of me.
Say it.
What up? It's Dommy D, Chef Dommy D, and we're signing merch today.
Sweet. So yeah, we'll get these bagged up. Cool. I got all the labels printed for them.
Steak, not my best one.
Where's the butter? So what we're doing right now is we are just essentially taking the orders, seeing what the client ordered, what size, what color, what item, pulling that item, putting the label on top. That way when Nick goes to do the fulfillment, all he has to do is pull the label, slip this in the bag, slip the shirt in the bag, seal it, peel, stick.
Another day, another dollar. We're down in Steve's office. We're gonna do a little presentation on the screen, going over some admin stuff, some top level stuff, things you can't hear about.
Benefits of having a projector and a movie screen in your room.
Talk about NDAs and NSs and NCs, and then what's on your Snapchat story?
Screenshot. That's just
Yeah, what's on your Snapchat? With young Thug playing in the back.
There's no face.
What's the first fucking
No
guy?
face, no
Nobody
case.
should talk about anything outside.
No.
And then is the kid who
And
always does it.
You're taking it
You
out
also
of
shouldn't
context.
talk about deals before they're not done.
Yeah, it's bad luck. Hypocrite.
But
Hypocrite.
I'm talking.
I'm gonna sue him. As soon as he signs that contract, I'm suing him. I know, that's why I'm saying I don't want him to be like.
Today, we are going to be heading down to Landon Bridges' house. We do a brand for him. It's called We're Cooking. I'm Landon on Instagram. He's like this just funny dude who just does drunk cooking videos. What up? We have made it to Landon's house. I'm gonna give him a call right now, let him know we're here. So like I said, we're just gonna design, chop it up. I got Corey on standby in case we need to give him a call. See some cool design concept. How we doing, my man? All right.
These I feel better about selling because they feel more premium.
Yeah. And you want all of them to have the rope, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
sometimes they need to be a little more stand out.
Yeah. And I like these because they have that thicker rope to it too. Cool.
We do that. Yeah, like make it nice and like.
Yeah. Because so these were most likely screen printed. When we did samples, we just did DTF print, a different type of printing.
Yeah,
but
so I just want to like whatever design is here. I just want it as intense as possible.
yeah, because like this one, yeah, you can like tell that there's like ink laid on top of it. These ones are a little bit more like ink laid inside of it. Let's get this shit. I'm excited. So, and obviously, I mean, it might be like visually different, but if we're using that hat blank, I'll just make sure we get that. All right, my boy.
You good?
Good to see you, my man.
There you go.
Yeah, and then by that time it's Coachella the next week, and then the next week after Stagecoach, and then a nice successful meeting. We locked in on a couple of the pre-existing designs that we did before. We made them all black just to see what was kind of hitting, what wasn't. Obviously just dialed in colorways, styles, and some revisions for design. So I'm gonna get working on these today. Hopefully we have some stuff by next week, and then we can do another drop, and hopefully we sell 1 million hats.
Midday gym. You already know we gotta answer these emails at the same time. Right here with Jake right now, Siegs, crazy clothing brand, crazy YouTuber. We're getting business taken care of, getting the workout taken care of. Right now we're doing some incline bench, then we're gonna do flat bench. We're gonna do some shoulders, little pythons.
Started. I didn't 2 sets.
Life's all about health, wealth, and the pursuit of happiness.
Whatever his ass said.
Go, 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 go. 11:26. I got my hat dirty. White aloe hat, man. Kept it clean for like 3 weeks, and if you know me and you know my hats, oh dude, just sweat stains everywhere. Yeah, like that. Yeah. High life, coming for you. Let's do business, baby.
Instagram's down, and
No, dude, we're getting
Miller
hacked.
just
We're getting hacked. We're hacked. They're taking us down. Restarting my phone, clicking on this, trying it on my laptop, trying to log out and sign back in on my laptop.
type in downdetector.com. I bet you most people do. All
I got some.
is Instagram
Jake,
down.
Jake, do you know what down detector is?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Packed up, heading out to Vegas to go over to the new production facility. Gonna be shooting some content for the new SR Spring Collection coming out here soon. And just making sure everything's running smooth. This is how shit turns bad, bro.
That is
No, I'm not racing anymore, bro. We're done. You pull that shit out of
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas Strip tonight.
Doing a little bit of exploring right now, checking out all the beauty that Vegas has to offer. This is purely a business trip, and I am under strict instructions not to gamble. Not to gamble. $40 down the drain, not to gamble firsthand, you know. If that would have hit, I would have won like $2 grand, yeah.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides.
Literally all of my tickets, all my recent tickets just got off. Just got a new insurance guy literally like yesterday. I don't know, it's probably fucking like $200 or some bullshit. Today, we're gonna be walking you through our new Las Vegas shop. Gonna show you a little bit of behind the scenes on the printing. We've got SR production coming up for the new spring collection. This is inside the shop. Got a couple of princes. Got the boss Horacio here. Good to see you, boss. I'll show you a little bit kind of how the process works here, so you can see everything starts out on the TV. We've got all the jobs, all the information you would need here. Tells you about, you know, the quantities, what's landed, what hasn't landed, all the details on the printing. moves over to the whiteboard. A little bit more as that, what's actually in process, if it's in sampling, if it's all in process, if it's done. Right over here, you're going to see a lot of the screens that are ready to go. These are for the jobs coming up. You can see a couple SKUs on here for the SR selection. We got the Woo Saw, Hooters Tee. Over here, you can already see we got some stuff done and ready to go. The Molina Tee is done on the front. About to start working on the back. Presses, we just finished up on that Regatta Tee. They got a new one loading up right now. I believe it's the Lullaby Tee is coming up.
We have a brand new Gauntlet 4 18 color machine. And over here we have our ink department set up. We're running all Wilflex systems. We can run water-based systems, Aquarius. We're all compliant. Our second machine here is a Gauntlet 4 as well, brand new 16 color with Red Chili DX oversized flashes. Our ink department consists of Pantone color specific to the customer requirements. As you can see here, we have a dedicated software where we plug in the Pantone number and it gives us a formula, and that formula is mixed and put on the shelf and it's staged for the next job going on the press. The dryer that we got here is a brand new Sprint 3000 with a split belt. Not too many shops have this type of equipment. We kind of thought it all out. So since we're going to set up a pod here, we're going to have 3 machines. Machine number 1, I can be running high density or puff, which requires a different belt speed and heat requirement versus if I'm doing like a discharge where I need to kind of bump up the heat to get the water and get the moisture out of the ink so it can discharge properly.
That was just a quick little look at our new shop. Thanks again for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And with that, we're off to the next planet.